this is all the people trying to board the planes. They all had to pay extra for a new ticket, a plane ticket. Most of these people came by car, by bus. So we are making a line since 8 a.m. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and we're still waiting to get in some plane. We're in the convention center, so we are. We hope we're about like 4,000 people here trying to go back. We've been here every day since Monday, and waiting. There's so many people. There are children, little dogs, people of all ages, crippled people. Everyone trying to go back. Sick people, pregnant women. Well, we have no. It's starting to rain now here in Acapulco again. So they're telling us they're going to cancel flights for today because of the rain. So we probably are going to be stuck here one more day. But we have to stay on the line, because if you go out, you lose your place on the line. So many people, as you can see, families. Gracias. There's so many people here. The Mexican Marine is sending some planes to carry more people. They are not charging for those tickets, but it's pretty crowded to get in those planes. They're telling us it just arrived an American flight with humanitarian help for the people who lost everything, their homes, their cars, everything here. It's terrible. We're like, okay, down here, here is a truck. They're providing medicines with no charge. It's from the government. They're okay. There's some medicines that are not they're free of charge. I'm going to go inside the convention center. There are people. We're staying here. We have to sleep here in order to get a place on the plane. There's people sleeping here. Most of the people, babies,